I am directed to refer to the above subject and to state that instances have come to the notice of the government in which candidates persons on their first entry in government service have been allowed to join duty without production of medical fitness certificate duly issued by the competent authority. Full stop. Such civil servants are allowed to obtain the requisite certificate at a later stage on expiry of considerable period of time. Full stop. In this connection, attention is invited to Rule 21 of the Punjab Civil Servant Appointment and Conditions of Service Rules 1974, which provides that a candidate for appointment must be in good mental and bodily health and free from any physical defect likely to interfere in the discharge of his duties. First up, I am to emphasize that the practice of joining the candidates without medical fitness certificate being inconsistent with the rules and instruction referred to above may be discouraged, and in no case a candidate be allowed to join his assignment without the requisite medical certificate. First up, I am directed to refer to subject noted above and to say that a question has arisen as to the status of leave availing. First up, it has been observed that in such cases the officers assumed entire description to determine the date of commence of leave. First up, some civil servants take weeks or months from the date of sanction, and sometimes the leave is never availed. First up, this practice frustrates the whole process of making alternative arrangements during the sanctioned leave. First up, the matter has been considered. It may be emphasized that the option to determine the date of commencement of leave exercised by the applicant is subject to the approval of the leave sanctioning authority. First up, sanctioning of leave therefore includes the sanctioned period of leave, including the date of its commencement and expiry. First up, according to Rule 21 of the Revised Leave Rules 1981, leave commences from the date of availing on which a civil servant